Welcome to our video on donation statements. Go to Donations, Statements. There are 4 statement styles: Standard, Summary, Simple, and Receipt. Each style includes customization options. The Standard is the most commonly used format. It includes details for every donation made and qualifies for end-of-year tax contribution reporting requirements for the IRS. The Summary statement is typically used for quarterly reporting. These statements are informational only and usually fit on a single page. This statement does not qualify for end-of-year tax contribution reports to the IRS. The Simple statement includes a section detailing every single donation, a summary section showing the total donated to each fund, and pledge information. This statement qualifies for the end-of-year tax contribution reports to the IRS. The Receipt statement meets the Canada agency requirements. You can generate statements for a specific fund type, including tax-deductible, taxable, or IRA contributions. Statements can be generated for all donation funds or for selected funds only. If you choose Select Funds, you'll need to choose the specific funds you want included. To look up a statement for a single donor, click Lookup. Enter the first few letters of the donor's name and click Find. When searching for a donor with an individual number, search using the household name. When the household is selected and the statement is generated, the individual donor's statement will also be included. You can generate statements for those who have given, not given, have a donor number, have pledged and not given, or have pledged. Some of these options are unavailable depending on the statement style you choose. Statements can also be sorted by last name or zip code. There are 2 types of letters you can include with donation statements: cover letters and footer letters. Cover letters appear before the statement content. Footer letters appear at the bottom of the final page of the statement. The IRS disclosure statement is commonly included in the footer. To attach a cover letter or footer letter, select the desired letter from the drop-down menu. You can also edit existing letters or create new ones using the Add Edit buttons. This opens a window where you can view and edit your existing letters. To create a new letter, click Add New Letter. Both cover letters and footers support this salutation merge field. This field uses the household salutation from the address record, or the Mail To field for individual donors. Cover letters are generated differently depending on whether you're emailing or printing the contribution statements. When printing statements, the cover letter prints on a separate page before the statement. When emailing statements as attachments, the cover letter becomes the body of the email. Cover letters cannot be used when selecting email statements in line. The footer letter named IRS Disclosure contains wording that meets IRS requirements, stating that no goods or services were received in exchange for the donations. You can generate statements for everyone or for selected household statuses. To select multiple status codes, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while making selections. The verbiage for pledge field allows you to customize the terminology used on statements. For example, you could replace the word pledge with estimate of giving. On the right side, under Reporting Options, you can choose how the statements will be generated. Statements All generates all statements matching the selected criteria. Statements Without Email generates statements for donors who do not have an email address assigned under donor numbers. Email Statements in Line sends the statement content directly in the body of the email. Cover letters are not included with this option. Email Statements as Attachments sends the statements as PDF attachments. If a cover letter is selected, it becomes the body of the email. If no cover letter is selected, the email body will say, "Your donation statement from organization name is attached." Labels All generates mailing labels for all selected statements. Labels Without Emails generate labels for donors who do not have an email address selected for statement delivery. List of statements to be emailed generates a report of all donors configured to receive statements by email. In the lower right corner, you'll find additional customization settings for your statements, including options to show comments, check numbers, or pledge amounts. Click the Yes or No buttons to enable or disable each option. Thanks for watching.